This kit provides everything you need to measure power and provide a stable light source for fiber optic cable testing. Hey there, Garrett here from Jonard Tools. Welcome back to our channel. Today we have some exciting news to share with all you fiber optic technicians out there. The Fiber Power Meter and Optical Light Source Kit, our part number FPL-5050. This kit provides everything you need to measure power and provide a stable light source for fiber optic cable testing. Here's what's included. FPM-50A fiber optic power meter for measuring wavelengths from 800 to 1,650 Newton meters with a mere 0.01 decibel resolution. FLS-50 fiber optic light source to provide 1,310 Newton meters or 1,550 Newton meters wavelengths for a stable light source for single mode fiber measurement. H22 rugged carrying case with shoulder strap and 2 protective storage pouches which keep these precious tools safe and organized. With the FPL-5050, you can now bid farewell to guesswork and say hello to efficiency and accuracy. Whether you're working on data centers, telecommunications, or even home networks, this kit is a must-have. And that's it for today's video. Don't forget to like, share, and comment below. Subscribe to our channel for many more product launches. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you in the next one.